Seems like it's time. Yes, it's time for the new Apple Watch Series 6. It's finally here in India, and the one that I'm holding is the blue aluminium case with the deep navy sport band, costing a cool 49,990 rupees. So this is the cellular model, and let's open it. Let's unbox this. This is the Warp Core unboxing, and yes, in the case you don't know, my name is Sahil Mohan Gupta. Many people like to call me Bones. So here we have the new highness. Apple is about to sell 100 million Apple Watches, which is an incredible number because the Apple Watch just works with an iPhone. And this year they are making things even better because they are going to allow you to use the Apple Watch through a singular iCloud account through a feature called Family Share. And this is fundamentally the new casing. Apple makes things a little dicey with it, but this is it. This is the new Apple Watch band, same size as the Series 5 that I have out here. We'll probably turn it on in a bit. The new interesting thing about the Apple Watch in this case is you are actually only getting the wireless charging cable. You're not getting the plug. So Apple has removed the plug because this is about their commitment to sustainability. Sure, they're being just cheap out here. I believe that. But it is what it is. So this is the Apple Watch band that they are selling with this. Where's the blade? I hope I don't cut myself, but even if I do, this video is going to get a lot of views because of blood. I actually would have cut myself. Apple's packaging, as always, is very minimalistic and it is top notch. And that's going to remain true even for the new Apple Watch. This is the standard band that we have. This is the sport band that they're selling. This is actually coming as part of the package. It's pretty straightforward. It's pretty nice. Similar to this red band that I have out here. But this is the more interesting band that they have. This is the Solo band, the new Solo Loop. So Solo Loop will also open like this. They have got really nice packaging out here. It's a little hard to open, but you know, it is what it is. And the Solo Loop is going to be sold in India for 3,990 rupees. This is the basic one. This is not the braided one. So keep that in mind. But the cool thing about the Solo Loop is that it is one continuous loop. You don't get anything else out here apart from the loop itself. So that is the loop. So if I may just remove my current Apple Watch loop, I can actually use this on this as well, and it will go all the way around and it will fit me very snugly. So let's try it on this actually. So you do it. Simple and elegant. Apple stretches. That's the cool thing. So I can, stretch it a little. Becomes a bit of a tight fit, but this is the way it's supposed to fit. That's great. This is the perfect fit. On this old band, the problem used to be that I would go like this, and then it would be a bit of a dance with it, and sometimes I'll get varying levels of fit. Sometimes it'll be great, sometimes it won't be, but this is fitting me perfectly and I love it. And yes, by the way, the cool new feature of this is the new S6 system in package, which gets dual cores, inspired kind of derivative of the A13 Bionic chip from the iPhone 11. And it also gets a blood oxygen monitor. So that's one of the new headlining features of this new thing. If I can show you that, that would be nice. and you'll be able to see the differences between the two watches. So if you see here, these sensors are the new blood oxygen monitors, and you obviously can have it here, but you can also have it in another place. Usually a blood oxygen monitor is measured like this. So overall, Apple Watch Series 6 is going to be the best smartwatch for most people, especially if you use an iPhone. But if you don't, you can now use it because of family share. All you need is someone to own an Apple device at home. The other cool thing about this is that there are a bunch of cool new features in watchOS 7. Particularly my favorite one is the new hand washing feature, because that's kind of a COVID indicator if you're washing your hands properly. Just don't have the Apple Watch on your hand if you're doing some other kind of activity which involves that kind of a motion, if you know what I mean. Over and out.